Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to uninstall app on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, click on Windows icon and then click on settings. Now here on the left hand side you will see the option apps, so click on this option. Here within app section you will see the option install app, so click on this option. Here you will see a list of all your installed apps. So if you want to uninstall app, so first you need to look at the app which you want to uninstall. Just like I want to uninstall this app, so click on three dots on the right hand side of this app. After that, small window will appear, so click on uninstall. Here confirmation pop-up will be appear, so click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. Click on close. And here you will see the app has successfully uninstalled and removed from install app section. So guys, in this video we saw how to uninstall app on Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.